Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plants. Today we will be talking about Hobonichi weeks and kind of comparing the two colors. For those who don't know, I am currently using Hobonichi weeks this year, which is 2023. And I don't remember what they call the purple color. 2024, they call it lavender. Let's compare how different the purple shade will look like. If you haven't seen my unboxing, I will link it in the card at the top right corner or in the description below if you like to see my unboxing and see my reaction. Here is my Hobonichi 2023, and this color is very similar to what you see on the screen right now. This is the shade, and so here is the 2024. It is lighter than 2023. And I do like the color. You shade of purple. Which color do you like better? And this cover, I know a lot of you have asked like what cover I'm currently using. And honestly, I did not buy this cover. I actually got it for free at a planner conference like many years ago, maybe 3-4 years ago. So I don't remember where this come from, but it just was included in the goodie bag. But I'm sure you can get like a cover anywhere. I'll be planning on reusing this clear cover and transfer to the new planner, so kind of transfer. And for the sticker, I have been using the stitch, which is from Animal Crossing, and I plan on reusing this as well, transfer over this year. Actually, last year I designed this sticker, and I'm planning on designing something similar, but for 2024. So you can use that to stick it in your Hobonichi planner. You can stick it on the weeks or the green planner, which is the A6 supplement if you like. Planning on designing a few more different color scheme for the monthly tabs. So right now this is like a cotton candy color, so it's sort of like a paint color with Mimi in it. But let me know if you have a color preference or if there's a color scheme that you want. Let me know in the comments and I'll try to make something similar. So this will look like, and I believe I also have the same, but this one is the gradient one, so it has a hint of purple and pink. So it's Monday to December. Not Monday, I'm sorry. January to December. And I'm planning designing and then stick it to the future Hobonichi weeks. But I see a lot of comments are saying that I should try the navy blue because I was super excited about it. I am, but I'm so hesitated to switch over to a different color. You know me, I love pink, I love purple, I love yellow. Choosing a blue, I don't know, it's so hard because you know how I love like those type of color. It's hard to switch over to a new color, but you know what, I don't mind trying a new color and just go from there. I'll see. I'll let you guys know at the end of the year. We still have time, right? Yeah, we have like a couple months, like 3 more months, or you know, till January, so 4 months. So anyways, let me know in the comments below if you have decided what planner system you're going for. I know a lot of you guys are actually switching up different planners. Some are continuing with Hobonichi, but that's exciting. And I just can't wait to start using the new planners. And I'll see you next time. Bye, planner friends.